Rise and shine. We are at Otara Flea Market. And look at how packed it is. Looks like a car dealer shop. So apparently this is their flea market. So probably I'm in the veggie section. Oh, there's still basking. Families buying their groceries. Let's take a look. Happy Asian girl shopping for groceries. Look at that. So we have been in Kiwi Land for almost 3 weeks, and guess what? I have never eaten a kiwi yet. Really tempting though. But you know what? I'll try to work in a farm, and then we can eat a fresh kiwi from right from the tree. Yeah. We reached the flea market. Okay, so they have shoes, shades, oh slides. Nice. Perfume, carpets. Okay, so if you have been to Thailand, like Chatuchak, I think this is like the closest it will be like to Chatuchak. It's like Chatuchak of maybe Auckland.
Carpet.
Caleb and he represents Singapore. I met him a few years ago at World Cup. But here in New Zealand, we always show our people love. Even outside of no matter what nation, no matter if they're Caucasian or Asian, Modi, Pacific Islander, any type of round. Cause you can find it in this town, or even white and brown. Even the collaboration amongst all, for you and yourself and a man straight out of Singapore. You got the GoPro in your hand, so making the stand, we're rocking the jam and listen to the man on front yard. I'll be just like a short-fitted, and I do walk with it if you see me talk with it. The ride is here, the vibe is here. You can tell when I exalt, describe is dead.
Delicious.
It is, don't you worry.